Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, today's episode is going to be a little bit different than normal. I'm actually doing a little testing on a new mic that I have. It's supposed to help eliminate background noise. So I'm intentionally filming this while there's somebody weed whacking in the background. And we're going to take the old Super Bee out for a drive today. And I'm going to see how much wind noise we get with the windows down. There's a dog barking back there right now. So I'm going to see how well this thing does and what it sounds like. So I figured why not take you guys along for the ride since it was such a nice day. Take the Bee out for a spin, get some good scenery, and we'll see how the new mic works. So thanks for watching. All right, something I haven't done in a while, in all honesty, is driven my Super Bee, so we are going to do that today. Get the door open. This thing's been sitting for a while, so we're going to do a cold start on it today. It's been quite a few weeks since this thing's been started, so it's probably going to crank a little bit without firing, so... let's see what happens. I'll give it a couple pumps. I'm sure the carb is empty by now. Give it a couple more pumps. There she goes. This car normally lights right off really well, so I'm not surprised it took a little bit to crank just because it hadn't been started in so long. So, all right. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll get out of here. You can see she's really charging after a crank. The high idle's working like it should. All right, let's kick it down and back it out. All right, here we go. It is a gorgeous day here in Texas today. This is just the perfect kind of weather. Yeah, which way should we go? Let's go this way. Take some rolling country roads here. Wow, I never encountered anybody out here. Well, apparently the road was too wide here. They're going to make it narrower now. Cactus. So I thought I would show you guys the dam. So there straight ahead of us is the actual dam, and then to the right you can see the lake, and then to the left you see it's gone. So we're looking straight onto the dam. I'm going to walk down so you can see the other side of the dam. So let's get walking. Just got to head down the path here and turn right. This is a looking at the dam from the top view, so you can kind of see what it looks like, but we'll go down there a little closer. It doesn't look like they're letting any water out right now. It's been kind of dry here, so I totally get that. I have seen this valley totally full of water. All the rocks down here are just totally loaded with fossils. I hope you can see them there, but I mean, basically like that rock is completely a fossil. It's like there's a bone or a stick or something right there. Another one right there. So this is as close as we can get to it. It's restricted past this, but that's the lower side of the dam. Thought you guys might think this was cool. There's a few birds out there. I'll see if I can zoom in enough on them. That's as close as I can get. Not sure if you can see them or not. That's kind of cool. But anyway, that's the bottom side of the dam. And those little buildings up on the end here and on the other end, there's a little like car or truck or whatever you want to call it in there that they used to have cables to open the doors on the dam, but now they're all done with electric motors. You can kind of see them up on top there. Oh, look at that, guys. The sirens just went off and they opened one of the gates. This is the first time I've ever seen that. That's pretty cool. Basically, the water line is at the top of the gate, so they're letting it off or letting it out from about 15 feet below the surface. Might even be a little more than that. It's hard to judge how tall those gates are from here. All right, we made it home, so I hope you enjoyed the drive. All right, I'm going to go ahead and check the air pressure in here in these tires right away. It's been a while since I've done that. Not only that, you know, it's not going to be too much longer. It's going to be winter. We need to get some winter air in the tires. You know how that goes. Got to have a little winter air in for the cooler months. Yeah, we're at like 30 pounds right now, so jack this up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit too much. There we go. That should be good. All right, move on to the backs. Leaking like a sieve on the air hose. That's always nice. Yeah, this one's a little low. Yeah, 2 more pounds. Perfect. All right, we'll do the other side and then we'll get out of here. All right, guys, I think this test was a pretty good success. I learned a lot from it. I watched a bunch of the footage already, and I could definitely tell where it was cutting the noise out, as I'm sure you could. So there are different settings on it, so I kind of learned a little bit about what settings to use. So overall, I think it was a success. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time.